Aim: to study the effect of mass on the time period of a simple pendulum. The setup for this experiment is as shown. Draw two lines on the surface, one parallel to the edge of table AB and the other perpendicular to it, MN, such that the two intersect at the point O. Keeping the thread stretched, displace the bob. Also, check the angular displacement of the bob on the protractor attached at the top of pendulum C with the clamp. Release the bob so that it begins to oscillate about its mean position. Record the time taken for n oscillations in the observation table.